colors of the sky fade with the setting sun.
Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be unboxing the all-new iPhone 17 Pro Max. This iPhone is in the gorgeous deep blue color, as we can see. Unfortunately, the colors that they had for this year were only 3 colors. It was the cosmic orange, the deep blue, and the silver. I'm honestly pretty upset that they didn't have the midnight or a black color, just because that's usually standard for every year, except it's like they just got rid of that color for some reason. However, this color is also just as beautiful, but again, wish there was more variety. I feel like instead of adding more, they're just taking away more. As we know, this is the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and it's in a deep blue color in 256 gigs. On the top and bottom of the box, it has the Apple logo on it, and then on the left and right side, it says iPhone. In front of the box, we have the iPhone in the deep blue color. Okay, let's open her up now. On the inside of the top of the box, there's a dent for the camera to sit in, and then this kind of cushion, but it's technically not a cushion. It's very hard, like it's not squishy. I guess it's more so that it stays still in the box and doesn't have place to move. And it can actually just be so like if the phone does get dropped or, you know, damaged, the inside doesn't get damaged because it has that thick support. And what do we think? I will say the silver is definitely my #1 choice. I'm not the biggest fan of the deep blue. It looks good, but just not my cup of tea. Inside the box, we have a lot of things. So let's just start off with the USB-C to USB-C cord. And that's pretty much it. So a lot in the box. I just can't believe the amount of budget that Apple has to, you know, increase the amount of products they have. Okay, but on a serious note, like, are you kidding me? Mark my words that either next year or the following year, they will get rid of this charger as well, and we'd have to buy the cable by itself as well. And of course, the only piece of paper that we get says that they took something away, as Apple does, and it's just that they took away the SIM card tray. Obviously, they had to put this in here to let us know that, you know, there's a piece of paper in here, but, you know, it's about taking something away. It's not about giving. So on this white screen protector, we have some symbols. On the left side, we have the silence switch. And this is also the action button, and then the volume up and volume down. And then on the bottom, we have our lightning symbol. On the right side, we have the camera control, and then the power on and off button. Okay, let's take her off. And let's turn it on. While it's turning on, let's unbox the case. This is a leather case and it has the MagSafe inside. Let's put the case aside and set up our iPhone now. English, we're gonna select our country and region to Canada. Appearance, we can choose default, medium, and large. I'm gonna choose the default. Quickly set up iPhone. We're gonna set up without another device. I'm gonna log into my Wi-Fi and I will be right back. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Usually this process just takes a few seconds, so as I said, software update. Apparently there's a software update on these new iPhone 17s and the Air, which I find ridiculous because it's a brand new phone. And I just think that it should be updated beforehand, again, because it's a new phone. So this kind of gets me, like, how long have they been sitting in the warehouse for it to have an update, if that makes sense? Not the biggest issue, but, you know, I would prefer if I'm buying a phone, I don't have to worry about that one more thing. So we will update that later. Data and privacy. Age range, we have child, teen, adult. Face ID, we can set that up right now. Scan is complete, and with the Face ID for the mask, we're gonna set up later. Face ID is now set up. The password is just gonna be 123456. Obviously, don't use this as your password. Transfer your apps and data. We will not transfer anything yet. And we do have an account, but we're just gonna skip this process. Set up later in settings. Terms and conditions. Obviously, if we don't agree, we can't use it. Update your iPhone automatically. Oh, well, this is awesome because we have an update that we gotta do, so continue. iMessage and FaceTime, continue. Location services, we will set up later. Set up eSIM. Unfortunately, we do not have a SIM tray, so we can only do eSIM. I don't know why my camera will not focus. I think I'm just gonna have to hold it in my hands. Set up eSIM, we will set up later. Screen time, iPhone analytics, light or dark display. Let me know down in the comments which one you guys prefer. I really think it depends on the day, the mood, the weather, so I leave it on auto. Apple Intelligence, we will set up later. Camera control, and then for our action button, let's keep it on the silent mode. However, we do have focus, camera, flashlight, voice memo, recognize music, translate, and magnifier. And oh, I guess we had more. We had shortcut and accessibility and no action. Obviously, we're not gonna click on the no action because it's there for a reason. So we'll just leave it on silent as it used to be. Siri, let's set her up.
The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun.
Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. Siri is ready. Improve Siri and dictation, emergency SOS, and welcome. Get started. I have also done a camera test on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro, 17 Pro Max, and the Air, so check those out. I did do a night mode camera test. I will be also doing a regular camera test for those. So if you do want to see how the camera is on this phone, it's already up and going, so take a look if you are concerned on how this camera is. And just a little thing, it definitely performs very well. Now that our iPhone is set up, let's talk about the iPhone itself. We have our dynamic island at the top with our Face ID and front camera. On the left side of the phone, we have the action button, volume up, volume down, 2 antenna bends, one at the top, one at the bottom. Bottom of the phone, we have our speaker, microphone, 2 of the little screws, and the USB-C port. On the right side, we have another antenna band on the top and bottom. We have our camera control, and then we have our power button. Back of the phone is where it gets super fun. We have our redesign. We have the sensor, the microphone, the flash. We have our regular camera, ultra wide camera, as well as telephoto camera. And while we are in this video, I really want to show you guys like the coolest feature on this phone. So on the front facing camera now, we can completely zoom out and it's not as small as it used to be. So we pretty much have like an ultra wide camera at the front, which is absolutely cool. Like even if you're in like family outings or whatever, you do not have to struggle on who takes the photo, who's taller, who's shorter, and it's just super easy. It's an ultra wide on the front, which I have literally been wanting for forever, and finally it's on the Pro Max, which is super exciting. So I did have to let you guys know on that little secret just because it's absolutely amazing. But if you do want more detail on all of those, just check out my camera test. Last thing we're gonna do is pop on the phone case. And there we have it. I will admit, I really don't like these leather cases or any case with color. This isn't my phone, this is my mom's, but personally mine is the clear one and I absolutely love it. And I always get the silver color or the white color every year just because it's bright and I love bright colors and something that goes with everything. Like for example, I'm wearing a gray sweater and it completely goes with my sweater, but this one is just like we got 3 different color combinations, which I'm not a big fan of. But that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.